an idea to use a crepe? Watch this video. Stay tuned with... Where is my knife? Add lukewarm water, milk, eggs and salt to a deep bowl and stir. After it becomes uniform, sift the flour and mix the ingredients together. This density is great. For the chocolate crepe, melt the butter in a pan gently. Spread the crepe batter. After a minute of heating, put the chocolate on one side and roll the crepe calmly. Be sure to serve hot and use a variety of toppings. Bon appetit! For mixed crepes or finger food, add butter, crepe cream and parsley respectively. It's enough to heat each side for 2 minutes. I use mayonnaise, cheddar cheese and ham for this delicious roll. Great for the meals. Third one, breakfast crepe. Add butter and crepe liquid to the pan. After that, add salt, black pepper and egg. At the end, add chives and gather the edges of the crepe to form a square. The attractive French breakfast is ready. Last crepe, sausage crepe. Start frying the sausages. Now add butter and crepe liquid. After 2 minutes of heating, add salt, black pepper, ketchup, cheese and sausage and roll. Great for finger food and it serves as street foods. Tell me, what do you think about the crepes? Tell me, what do you think about the crepes?